Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to get free ringtones. So you got that new fancy cell phone, and it looks nice, but it's got this lame ringer, and you want to personalize it. You want to make it sound the best you can. Well, you have a couple of options. Most of your new phones will let you actually take a music file from your music collection, put it right on the phone, and use that for your ringer. But if that's not an option for you, what you can do is go to Google and type in free ringtones, and then include your wireless carrier. Like mine is AT&T Wireless, so here we'll use AT&T Wireless. And the reason I say include your wireless carrier is because if they're the type of ringtones that get text messaged to you by the website, you'll want to go and go to a site that supports your carrier. So I hit enter, and then I can go right to the website itself, AT&T Wireless Ringtones. And from here you can search through all the different ringtones. Some of them are buy, some of them are free. You just have to go through the list and find which ones you like. There are other websites. I'll go ahead and hit back. And let's see, we'll go to this top one here. Now these are free downloads, but they're not really free, and this is something you have to watch out for when you're looking for the ringtones. A lot of sites will give you as many downloads as you like, but you have to pay a monthly fee. It's usually a couple of dollars, maybe $5 at the most. It's entirely up to you. I will say, be really careful where you get your ringtones from. That's why I like to go to the carrier for them, because you can trust those ringtones not to damage your phone. And that's how you find free ringtones on the internet.